if you just open the phone app on your iPhone, you will notice something like this. And you can see there are 4 tabs available here, but you don't see the option for voicemails. And that's because you have enabled the classic layout on your iPhone. In order to change that, you have to tap on the filter icon here in the top right corner, and then you will notice there is classic selected here. So you have to just tap on unified, and that will enable the unified layout on your iPhone. And now the tabs have changed. There are 3 tabs here, and along with that there is a search icon here. Now if you tap on the filter icon again, now you will notice there is voicemails option here. So tap on that, and now here you can access and see all the voicemails that you have received on your iPhone. And here you may simply slide left and tap on delete icon to delete any voicemail, or you may also alternatively tap on the edit icon and then tap on select and select multiple ones to delete multiple voicemails at once. Simply tap on delete and all the selected voicemails will be deleted from your iPhone. But what if you accidentally deleted any voicemail and you want to recover that? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to retrieve deleted voicemails on your iPhone. So in order to retrieve or restore the deleted voicemails on your iPhone, what you have to do is you have to just go to voicemail option on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down, and there you will find a folder named deleted voicemails. So tap on that, and now you can access all the recently deleted voicemails here available. So once you find the voicemail that you want to recover, you may simply tap on the voicemail icon next to the voicemail, and then you will see the voicemail here. Here you will notice there is a /trash icon. So you have to just tap on that, and that voicemail will be recovered on your iPhone. And similarly, you may retrieve and restore other voicemails as well. Tap on the voicemail icon next to the voicemail and then tap on this /trash icon, and it will be recovered. So this way you may recover the deleted voicemails on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to permanently delete voicemails on your iPhone, then make sure you tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.